Jed's good morning. Making a little bit of coffee. I was gonna start a fire, but I'm actually gonna leave soon because I got a long road ahead and I kind of want to get back to the city a little early, so decided to make a coffee on the jet boil. Oh, great, nice. Dumped too much of coffee on my knee. That's lovely. Anyway, yeah, making coffee on my jet boil. That should be fine. That should be fine. There should be plenty. Oh, the night was good. Sleeping on a hill is not as fun as it sounds. I kept sliding. I kept on sliding down. And it was surprisingly chilly. It was surprisingly chilly. Yeah, look at that. Polished fucking 7 beers. It's not so bad, right? Is it a lot? Is it like alcoholism status? I guess it's hard to tell. The water is almost boiling. We're almost there. One of these days I will use up that stove. I will use that stove. I have that little camping stove. Little hipstery, cute camping stove that I haven't used yet. I mean, no, I've used it for cooking sausages on my balcony, but that's it. Come on. It's almost there. It's almost there. But look, this is my poker. And look at that. There's still hot coals in there. Craziness. Can probably start a little fire. Let me put a little stick on there and see what happens. Just a little bit. Just like that. Nothing, I'm sure. Are we boiling? We're almost boiling. Yep. So, my poker is pretty good, if I say so myself. My poker is alright. There we go. Goddamn, son. Goddamn. That's like mega power. All to boil 1 cup of water. It's perfect out here. Quiet. I totally thought it was raining because of all the noise, all the acorns and whatnot, but it ain't. Oh, look, see, that's boiling. Let me turn it off. Turn it right off. Not a problem. Now we just pour. Nothing like smell of coffee in the morning. see. Alright, that's not gonna start a fire. That's the most half-assed effort I've seen. Alright. Need some coffee. Let's drink it. Oh. That's just physics. That's literally just physics. Good morning, ladies and gents. We got a coffee tragedy. I made too much coffee. Oh. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Go camping.